It's Katie here. I'm here to continue my talk about luxury, fashion, lifestyle, and one of my favorite houses, Hermes. Love the boutique. And this year has been a really fun year for me with my essay and really getting to know the brand. And I'm here for an unboxing. And my unboxing is in the spirit of the season. We have Thanksgiving coming up and Christmas. So what do we think about with Christmas? You know, we think about the nutcrackers. We think about things all pretty, ballet, flowing. Thus, we're gonna get into my first unboxing. I gave you a hint. Here it is. Here's the box. And my essay surprised and brought these out to me. And normally, this is not something that I think I would pick, but I fell in love because I like pretty things and they were pretty. So here we go. This is a beautiful pair of ballet flats. They're lavender. And they have this beautiful sort of crystal H motif on the side. See that? And the color is just outstanding. And another thing I like about them is they have the square toe. So I put them on and I was so surprised at how well and beautiful and dainty my feet look. Here's the other one. So again, that beautiful crystal with that sort of nod to H, but it's more quiet. It's not sort of in your face. I don't like a lot of logo. I, feel a little bit uncomfortable, but it's so funny one could say that, and then the Birkin itself is a logo. But to me, when the letters and everything are splashed on it, it gives it, makes it a little less special for me personally. But these are going to be styled definitely for when I see the Nutcracker this December, and I'm really excited about wearing them. So I may have show you my outfit in the near future of how I'm going to style this, but they're definitely a beautiful, beautiful, nice, soft, velvety material. So great purchase. Love them. Love this lavender. People think about pink and feminine, but I think lavender is sort of like a really nice winter color. It's got blue undertones in it, so you can really wear it with anything. And these you can wear with black or cream, depending on what what mood you're in and where you're going. So this is my most recent purchase in a while. So that's that. And then I haven't shown any bags yet, but I do have a bag to show. It's my most recent bag purchase. I love it. My essay really came through for me. She got me exactly what I wanted. I was originally offered a blue box. It was an Hermes Kelly, the studded. Everybody loves the Kelly. I think it's a beautiful bag, a really nice evening bag, but the utility of the bag is not that useful for me. I mean, I really need to fit my phone in my bag. I lose my phone. My phone is my lifeline in terms of how I live. Whether that's a good or bad thing, I don't know, but that's just how it works for me. So it was important for me to have a bag that fits my phone. But I love the daintiness of the Mini Kelly. So I asked for the alternative, and after which, a few weeks later, my essay came through. So here's this one. It's my second box. I love this bag. And I have unboxed it, but I wrapped it back up because I couldn't wait. I was so excited when I got home. Here it is. And by the size of this box, it's not a very big box. I'm sure you can guess what it is. And again, it's not going to have the velvet on it because I took it off, and I don't store my bags so delicately like I think some people do. I in my mind, it's a bag. That is what it's used for. But here she is. This is my beautiful, beautiful Kelly Pochette, and you see these lovely with gold hardware where the sangles are, and the clasp. And it's just, I love the way the handle is. I love the color. It is swift, so it's a little bit more delicate, but I love that. I think this works really well for an evening bag. And it's just, to me, perfect. It's in sort of an off-white, and it's in, I believe this is cray. So it's got just beautiful, lovely undertone. And I'm gonna make sure, yeah, I believe it is cray. But it's the sort of the grayish or those darker undertones where it's not so creamy like a nata. So I think it just goes well with so many things. So I am really excited to style this bag for the winter. And you can stay tuned because I probably will be putting some outfits together. But I have so many more things to show you. So yeah, so stay tuned for the next boxing. Here she is. Bye.